mathematicians. Okay, so I have this really interesting table that I found about the number of people that went to Yellowstone National Park Memorial Day weekend in 2020, so this year. And that wasn't very long ago. That was about a week or a week and a half ago was our Memorial Day weekend. And so I was wondering, when I was thinking about national parks, like in 2020, was there a lot of people that went to national parks? Or because of the coronavirus, did people not kind of stay away from national parks? And so I found this information and I really want to share it with you. This week, our focus is going to be on addition and subtraction. And we're going to connect it to last week by thinking about place value. Okay, so I'm going to show you the chart and I want you to think about what you notice about these numbers. Okay, so this is Memorial Day 2020 Yellowstone National Park. Okay, so take a second to think about what you notice about the numbers. Something that I noticed right now is it's talking about the east entrance. On Sunday, 901 people went in the east entrance, and then on Sunday, 1,732 people went in the south entrance. Okay, so it doesn't just come out and tell us the total number of visitors. It's broken up into two entrances, which is really interesting to me. And then Monday, it did the same thing. Okay, but right now I can make a claim as a mathematician that on Monday, there were more visitors that came through the east entrance. That's a pretty bold claim. Okay, so I wonder if I look at the south entrance, did more people come through the south entrance on Sunday, or did more people come through the south entrance on Monday? What do you think? When I think about that, I'm really looking at 1,732 people came through the south entrance on Sunday, 1,042 people came through the south entrance on Monday. So I know that more people came in the south entrance on Sunday than they did on Monday. Very interesting. It kind of does a flip-flop. Okay, so as a mathematician, I can look at these numbers and think about what questions do I have and what do I want to explore further. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I did today and then give you a challenge. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote my equation. 901 is the east entrance, and then 1,732 is the south entrance. And so my question right now is how many people visited Yellowstone? I'm just going to do YS Yellowstone on Sunday, May 24th, 2020. Okay, so this number of people came through the east entrance, this number of people came through the south entrance. So right now, my unknown, or my X, is going to represent the number of people at the park on Sunday, May 24th, 2020. Okay, so I'm going to show you an addition strategy. Okay, so this is how I can use place value to solve this addition. So in my ones place, I'm going to focus on this number first. In my ones place, I have the digit 2 in my ones place, a 3 in my tens place, a 7 in my hundreds place, and a 1 in my thousands place. Okay, for 901, I have 1 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place, and then a 9 in the hundreds place. Two plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, 7 plus 9. I like to think about it as making 10. So if I do 6 and 10, so I make that, I know that's going to be 16. Okay, so 2,633 total people. I want to make sure that my strategy is accurate. It seemed pretty efficient, but I want to make sure that it's accurate, so I'm going to use another strategy to check. Okay, so I'm going to use break apart to check my addition. So I have, for my 900, I have 900 if I break it apart by place value and 1. For this, I have a 1,000, a 700, a 30, and a 2. So basically, just like last week, I'm talking about putting numbers in expanded form. Okay, so now I can add these numbers together a little more flexibly. So I'm going to do 900 plus 700, 1,600. So I have my hundreds place done. I can easily add, I can also think about it on a number line, I can easily add my 1,000 that I still have right here, and that makes 2,600. So now I'm at 2,600s. I've already done my thousands place, and then I have plus 30. So 2,630, and then plus 2 plus 1, which is just, I can just do plus 3. So 2,633. And I got the same sum for both of these strategies, which is huge. Okay? Okay, so this is my challenge for you. How many people visited the park on Monday, May 25th, 2020? There's 2 things I want you to make sure that you do. I want you to solve on paper. Okay, so find a piece of paper and a pencil, or a piece of paper and a marker, or the back of some junk mail, and solve on paper. And then the second thing is, I want you to make sure that you're using the data from the table. Here's the table just as a reminder. So your question is, how many people visited the park on Monday, May 25th, 2020? So where could you get that information to find the total from the east entrance, the total from the south entrance, to get the final total? Try one of the strategies out that we used today, or a strategy that you feel really comfortable with. Can't wait to see your work. Bye!